Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here at CVS doing an incredible laundry deal. You want to grab two of the ties that are on sale for $14.99, and you're going to take advantage of the promotion. Spend 30, get $10 back in extra bucks. As long as your store follows the 98% rule, you'll be fine just grabbing two. Doesn't matter which two you grab, just grab any 2 cents that are $14.99. Then go into your CVS app. You're going to clip this $3 digital coupon. Then go to pngeveryday.com, print the $3 paper coupon, and this is what your total is going to be, which is $23.98 at the register, but you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. You're then going to submit your receipt to P&G Good Rebates and get $5 back for spending $20. That means you're only going to pay $8.98 out of pocket.